So, ano, so it's hard to think kung ano yung ibibigay to him. Kasi, wala, as I said, he's not into material things. So, parang it takes me medyo late. What should I give? Or something that he always use, or something he always need for every day. So, sobrang think hard. Tapos,
Thinking.
Yeah, cup. Kasi, although you have 3 cups, pero parang, I think it's time to change.
Yeah, I think so.
Kasi hindi rin siya pala bili ng gamit niya. So, most of his stuff is parang you can see na, although he has konting, medyo average lot of stuff, pero I want something from me.
Yeah.
I want to see, kasi I feel happy